Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Richelle Fausto, 37 years old, and I'm married, and I have three children, ages 10, 12, and 14. I have two sisters and three brothers, and I am fourth in the family. I am undergraduate in computer programming.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience before here in the Philippines is sales lady. The main duties of sales lady is arrange clothes, assisting customers, and clean the area. After a sales lady, I work abroad in Saudi Arabia as a waitress. In a coffee shop. We make coffee like Arabic coffee, American coffee, and more. And after finish contract in Saudi Arabia, I work as a esthetician in a slimming and facial. And after esthetician, I studied caregiving. After finish my education as a caregiving, I immediately work as a on-call caregiver. And I applied nanny. I take care babies ages 2 years old and 4 years old. I do all chores like ironing, washing the car, and marketing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing them for their safety. If the baby or the children is sick, I take their body temperature, and if the baby or the children is sick, I will call immediately my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad is for my family to earn money for the future of my children.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My father and my mother.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep 10 o'clock in the evening after my work is done, and 5 o'clock in the morning when I'm awake.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them.
Okay. Do you accept the day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to train and learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
good day, sir, ma'am. If you hired me, I am trustworthy and hardworking. I will promise I will do my best to my work with all my heart. Thank you.
Okay.